guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys what product I'm using currently to take care of my dry and frizzy hair. So मेरे जो hair type है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry and frizzy है. So basically we all need that one product for extra hair care which was missing in hair segment. So hair care product segment में बहुत सारे hair products हैं market में which do claim कि वो आपके hair को बहुत ज़्यादा healthy, strong, shiny बनाएंगे. But I do feel कि still there was something missing in most of the hair care products. So आज की वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को बताने वाली हूँ कि मैं कैसे अपने रफ और ड्राई हेयर की केयर करती हूँ एंड क्या प्रोडक्ट मैं अभी करेंटली यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So I'm talking about the newly launched Biolage Deep Treatment Packs for all hair type. So since my hair are super dry and rough type, तो मैं जो पैक यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है Ultra Hydra Source Pack and I'm in love with this product guys. I've been using this product from past few weeks. And why this product is so different from any hair care product in the market? Because क्योंकि ये deep treatment pack है, ये आपके hair को 90% more care देगा than a conditioner. And if this product is giving 90% more care than a conditioner, so you guys can imagine कि how great this product is. So these deep treatment packs as one of the most essential product which everyone must have. So they have the highest concentration of caring ingredients, and believe me guys, these deep treatment packs will transform your hair in just 3 minutes. These deep treatment packs gives extra nourishment to your hair and they give instant results. Each pack works on building strength and moisturizing the hair, and they add smoothness to your hair so that your hair will become less prone to breakage. So these hair packs will transform your hair instantly after a single use, and the presence of hair superfood and caring ingredients in the formulas give hair that is extremely soft and healthy. The first one is Smooth Proof Pack for frizzy hair. It contains camellia for strengthening and conditioning, and also has castor oil which gives smooth frizz-free hair. Now this one is my favorite because it is for dry hair. This one is the Hydra Source Pack for dry hair. So this pack comes with the goodness of aloe vera which has high moisture content and spirulina for strengthening. So this pack moisturizes your hair within, which makes your hair more soft and nourished. The last one is the Color Last Pack for color treated hair. So this pack has orchid which adds vibrancy to color treated hair and retains moisture, and apricot seeds that give vitamin K and E to help strengthen the hair follicles. So with this pack, color treated hair stays protected. Now I'm going to show you guys the correct way to apply this deep treatment pack. So I've just got out of shower and have wet hair, and after that I'm going to segregate hair in small sections. Next I'm going to pour the pack in hand and then going to apply it all over my hair. So the correct way of applying this deep treatment pack is to apply the product on each section and twist so that the product spreads across. The twisting of each section will infuse the product for better penetration in hair strands. So I'm going to apply this deep treatment pack on every section and going to repeat the same process. Now that I've done with one section, I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side as well. Next I'm going to keep in hair for 3 minutes, then I'm going to rinse it off. Next I finishes my hair regime by application of serum post rinsing of the deep treatment pack. So this is how my hair feels after using this deep treatment pack. It feels so smooth, so soft, and it has also solved my rough and dry hair problem. So you guys can definitely see a visible difference to my hair, that how good, healthy and nourished my hair feels after using this deep treatment pack. And this is just after one wash guys. On regular days पे मैं बस shampoo करती हूँ, conditioner, then I go for the serum and style my hair. And on Sundays I follow a good hair care pampering routine. I shampoo my hair, then I apply this deep treatment pack, then I rinse it off. उसके बाद मैं serum use करती हूँ and then I style my hair as I usually do. So I can definitely say that these deep treatment packs are game changer for your hair. So yeah guys, आप लोगों को जो भी hair concern है, select a pack according to that. Like Smooth Proof for frizzy hair, Hydra Source for dry hair, and for color treated hair, the Color Last Pack. And these deep treatment packs are very gentle on hair and highly effective. So these packs definitely offer professional hair care at home. So I definitely recommend you guys to please try this product. So every deep treatment pack retails for rupees 350. So if you guys want to try these products, please go ahead and find their purchase link in my description box below. So I hope you guys find this video helpful and useful, and आज का जो रिव्यू है वो भी आप लोगों के लिए बहुत यूजफुल होगा। अगर आप ये डीप ट्रीटमेंट पैक्स ट्राई करते हैं तो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। सो अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल, सो जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ यू गाइज वोंट मिस माय वीडियोस। एंड या गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू फॉलो मी ऑन Instagram as well. So yeah guys, I'll see you all in my next video with more useful and review videos. So that's all for today's video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, stay at home and be safe. Bye guys.